Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to earn 7.7% with Cardano lock staking. So if you look at this graph here, you see that this year also is a very good year for cryptocurrencies. Cardano was initially at 0.1 and shot all the way to $2.2. So before we get into the process, let's go through this quick intro. Alright, so welcome back, and around the month of May, May 18th, it shot, May 17th, it shot to around 2.25, which is wow, massive. Think of if you bought just $30 of this cryptocurrency when it was at 0.1, you could have made over $600 if you sold it at the TPL, let's say somewhere around this mark, as let's say $2. So let's go back to the now if you want to earn 7.7%, as I said, you will need this platform, which is Binance. It's one of the biggest crypto trading platform in the world. So I like them for their speed, simplicity, and just for the fact they've been existing far longer than other platforms. So then you go over to your fiat and spot wallet. You are going to go to where your Cardano is. Now this is where mine is. Cardano, this amount, this is everything. So we are going to click on N. Then you see lock staking over here. Then you type the name, which is Cardano. So it's going to appear very soon. Okay. Let me click on ADA. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. ADA is the ADA is the abbreviation of or the ticker symbol for it. So one quick way, just click on display only. Display. One quick way, just click on display only. Display available only, and you see which of the plans or packages is available to you. Now most times everybody always like going after the 90 days because they have higher percentage. Now at 30 days you are getting 5.09%. At 60 days you are getting 7.79%, which is almost 7.8%. So now click on stake now, and it's going to give you small information. Yes, type locked. Now during this period you cannot access the Cardano in your wallet. So that is what is the meaning of this lock staking, because it's like a fixed deposit, and just like a fixed deposit account where you cannot touch the money, you cannot make transfers. That is what it is for it. Then so click on maximum. Unlike the flexible offers you ability for you to use your cryptocurrency while staking, but the disadvantage of it is that they give very low interest rates, kind of. So it's going to give you some information here. Stake dates today 7th. Okay, so it's the time, value dates. Okay, then interest period 1 day, interest date, redemption period 1 day, redemption date. So then now what is the information telling us here? That this APY, which is interest here, is adjusted on a daily basis on the chain staking reward, and the specific APY is suggested to the page displayed under this. So sign up to agreement, confirm purchase. So my staking process has been fulfilled. Now if you want to know if it has been listen, just click on here. You see the amount you stake, which is at $58 of Cardano. So in the next 60 days before I can, it's going to even take more than 60 days, let's say 62 days, just before I'll be able to have access to my Cardano. But as at then, I must have earned 7.79%. And one other good thing about staking, let me show you something about this chart. Now imagine if we stake think of it, if you are going to hold cryptocurrencies for long-term purpose, like an investment where you buy stocks and hold them. Now why not earn 2 times the amount by staking? Is because you're going to get a double of it, because the original initial cryptocurrency is going to kind of gain value, yes, and you are going to earn interest on it while it's gaining value. So it's like you are getting money from using on one method in 2 different formats. I don't know how to put it. So is, in fact, if you are going to be holding cryptocurrencies, I advise you strongly to stake them. Now, and that is the reason why I chose Binance, because Binance is very popular and they are trustworthy. So we advise you to only use Binance for your staking if you are a beginner. Then if you're an advanced, you can try out other different platforms like Gate.io and some other ones. So over here you can see little information about their technicals, but you don't really need all those information. So alright, so if you love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it helps with the channel. And if you want to see more content like this, just click on the subscribe button with the bell icon and you're done. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
And I'm over.